It's definitely the small screen that's been affecting my gameplay.
Oh God, please, no! No!
Now, let's install the Raspberry Pi as the main control board for running games. Just remember, before starting, make sure the SD card has Retropie system installed. Once the connections are made, you're ready to power it up and start playing. See, doesn't it look awesome after I upgraded the screen to CrowVision? If you want to have the same screen, I recommend checking out Elecrow. You can also subscribe to the latest updates about CrowVision and be among the first to know when it becomes available.